Is your lawn suffocating? Revive it with the Sun Joe Dethatcher. Is your lawn looking a little lackluster? Don't let thatch steal its vibrancy. We're diving deep into the Sun Joe AJ801E Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier to see if it's the right tool to bring your lawn back to life. The Sun Joe AJ801E is a 12-amp electric dethatcher and scarifier designed to remove thatch buildup and promote healthier lawn growth. It features a 13-inch wide path, a removable 8-gallon collection bag, height adjustment, and air boost technology. This tool promises to make lawn maintenance easier, but does it deliver? Let's explore its key features and benefits. This dethatcher boasts a powerful 12-amp motor, allowing it to rake a 12.6-inch wide path. The adjustable deck offers 5-position depth control, letting you tailor the raking depth to your lawn's needs. It also functions as a scarifier, cutting grass roots for thicker, healthier growth. The air boost technology and spring steel tines maximize thatch pickup. A detachable collection bag makes disposal easy. With over 19,000 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, the Sun Joe AJ801E seems to be a hit. Many users praise its ease of use and effectiveness in removing dead grass and thatch. One reviewer on Amazon raves about how much thatch it removed, filling nearly 2 mower bins after just one use. Others appreciate its lightweight design and the time it saves compared to manual raking. Some users mention concerns about the unit's durability and the small size of the collection bag. The corded design might also be a limitation for larger lawns, requiring an extension cord. However, the overall consensus is that the Sun Joe AJ801E offers excellent value for the price. It's a great option for homeowners looking to maintain their lawns without hiring professionals. You can find the Sun Joe AJ801E on Amazon. Check the product page for the latest price, customer reviews, and availability. The Sun Joe AJ801E Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier is a solid choice for homeowners seeking an affordable and effective way to improve their lawn's health. Its powerful motor, adjustable settings, and dual functionality make it a versatile tool for any lawn enthusiast. Ready to give your lawn the breath of fresh air it deserves? Head over to the product page on Amazon to learn more and make your purchase today. Don't wait. A healthier, greener lawn is just a click away.